Oh. Right, it's actually 2 days after the day we went picking mushrooms. I got home, I was busy, I had too much to do. So the next day, which was yesterday, I took the mushrooms, my half of the mushrooms, I shared them with Steph. Gave half to Steph and half to me. So I took my mushrooms to my parents' house yesterday to clean them, prepare them, and make them all look nice. I gave them half as well, and I kept half for me. It's good to share, isn't it? So I'm left with all these delicious mushrooms that I picked the other day. And now we're in my kitchen. We're gonna cook them. So let's go and cook some mushrooms. I've got two recipes. And to keep it pretty simple, I'm gonna do, for starters with the mushrooms, I'm gonna make a mushroom bruschetta. And I'm gonna use vegan butter, olive oil, garlic, and then I'm gonna put some thin tiger bread, toasted. Just gonna put it on the top and just crunch into it, and it's just gonna be absolutely delicious. And then for the main, I'm gonna do a creamy mushroom spaghetti. That's what we're gonna do. So let's get cooking. Yes, I can't wait to cook these mushrooms. Here we have it. Better get a plate. Oh. If you like mushrooms, then this is for you. Hand-picked, organic Welsh mushrooms, 15 minutes from my doorstep. Oh, it's just delicious. I love mushrooms as well. Lemmy, do you want a bit? Do you want a bit? I think Lemmy wants a bit. A little bit for Lemmy. A bit as well. What's your verdict, Lem? Right, that was my creamy mushroom sauce with tagliatelle. Now, all I've got to do is give it a taste. Again, those organic Welsh mushrooms, 15 minutes from the door. Guess who can you come in? Lemmy. You can smell the food. They're just delicious. And that oat cream sets it off a treat. This is absolutely good stuff, man. Anyway, cheers, everyone. Can't have food without good wine. I really enjoyed that vlog. From leaving this house, meeting up with Steph, going out in the mountains, grabbing all these different kinds of mushrooms which I didn't even know were on my doorstep. Coming home with a big bag full of them, splitting them in half, cleaning them up, and then today spending the time in the kitchen cooking them and doing them proud with the mushroom bruschetta, which was delicious, and then finishing off with the main meal of the creamy mushroom sauce in tagliatelle, washed down with a glass of red. Oh, absolutely brilliant. Steph, thanks for your time. Everybody, if you like what you see, leave comments down below, subscribe. Recipes will also be down below, and I'm just in the process of making my website. So the website will be going live soon. So all these recipes are going to be on the website, along with merch and many other things. So that is on its way. But for the time being, Toodle Pip from me and Lemmy. He's just up on the stairs waiting for a bit of food. And I'll see you next week. Ciao for now. Bon appetito.